for a glass glowing beautiful skin, acne free skin. Hi my loves, it's Frida and I'm back again with another video. If you're seeing me for the first time, hi, I'm Frida. I talk about all things skincare, all things lifestyle, all things beauty, product reviews, and so much more. Yes guys, and if you're my OG, my real MVP, my subscriber, thank you so much for keeping this page alive. Thank you for continuously watching my videos, promoting this page. May God bless you, may God keep you. Thank you so much. So guys, today I'll be bringing to you a very beautiful and educative topic. Yes guys, I'll be making a recommendation today I'll be talking about the best brightening and exfoliating toners or cleansers out there that you should get your hands on. Yes, for a glass glowing beautiful skin, acne free skin, scars, spots free skin, hyperpigmentation free skin, you should watch this video. Toners and cleansers play an essential role in our skincare routine, so we should not miss out on them. Yes, that is what I'll be bringing to you: exfoliating and brightening toners. You may ask, can one person use both? Yes, one person can use both, but like I said, space out your skincare within different weeks, within different days. You can decide that Mondays is for exfoliating, Wednesdays is for exfoliating, Saturdays is for exfoliating, while you use Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Sunday to brighten. Okay, yes, you can do that. You can just space out your skincare so that you don't have to bombard your skin with different products in the same day. That will ruin your skin. You might be using a product, but it might be what you're combining it with that's what is giving a very bad reaction, and you just summarize in essence that, oh, is this product that is bad? No, it's you that is using it wrongly. Some things are meant to be used twice a week only. It does not have to be spread out throughout the week. Okay, they are meant to be used on specific particular days. But today we'll be talking about brightening toners and brightening cleansers, exfoliating toners and exfoliating cleansers that you should get your hands on. If you see me looking down, you already know how it is. I'm referring to my book because I wrote you guys a lot and a lot of beautiful things. I have to refer to my book. The first on the list I'll be talking about is the Skin by Zaron brightening toner. This is it. I'll attach a picture of all the products here. This Skin by Zaron product is very nice. It will brighten your skin mildly. It won't give you any harsh effect. It's very nice. You should get your hands on it if you can. Get your hands on this. It's for brightening, so it will be very nice for your skin. Yes, any skin type can use it. If you have a dry skin, if you have an oily skin, you can use it. Okay, it's for all skin types. You can use it. It will lift your complexion on your face. It will help to unclog your pores. It will help to brighten your skin. The next on my list is the Clean and Clear Morning Burst cleanser. This cleanser, guys, is very effective. It's like a soap cleanser. Is thick. Yes, you apply it on your skin, let it sit for a while in the morning, then you wash it off. It is good. I'm telling you, I've used this. I have it here, but I can't get it for this video. I'm carrying my baby. So this cleanser, let me see if I can get it for you guys. This cleanser is amazing, guys. So guys, I was able to get it. This is it. You can see where mine is already. I've gone half of this bottle, so I am not even lying. This cleanser is super amazing. I'm telling you, rub it on your skin and let it sit on your skin for up to an hour or 30 minutes before you wash it off, and then you wash your face. Your skin will glow that day. Like, your skin will look so soft, dewy, thick. I don't know how to put soft and thick in the same sentence, but that is what it is. And your skin will be shining and glowing. And this thing will, oh God, your skin will be like glass that day. I'm not even lying. This particular product, once I got my hands on it, I was hooked. I have used the bottle, and this is it. I've used this orange one on the screen, and this is the one I am on now. So I am not even lying. Look at where I am. Look at where I am. I'm not lying. Now that I'm not going out, I don't use it a lot because my skin is okay. I'm not exposed to the sun and all of that. And plus, I'm still working on my pregnancy hyperpigmentation, my postpartum hyperpigmentation. I'm still working on it. As you can see on my face, it takes time, so I'm working on them. But this particular product, I was using it when I was going out, and now I am stopped going out. Once I start going out again, I will continue using this product. It is very amazing. Like, there's no day that I use this product that people don't ask me what do I use for my skin. It is that good, guys. I am not even lying. It's that good. So if you can get your hands on this clean and clear cleanser, please do. Yes. So this clean and clear cleanser is for brightening. It will brighten and glow your skin. So it falls under the brightening product. I'll be explaining between the brightening and the exfoliants. The Skin by Zaron cleanser I talked about is the brightening also. It falls under brightening. So this is a brightening cleanser that is effective. Yes, guys. Next on my list is the Skin Doctor toner. Yes, this Skin Doctor toner is very good. It falls under the exfoliant. It's an exfoliant. It is very good because it contains the witch hazel, and we all know that witch hazel is an exfoliant. Witch hazel helps with acne, hyperpigmentation, pimples, all those things. It exfoliates and unclogs the pores. So yes, this Skin Doctor toner, it is very, very, very effective. Actually, it works perfectly for the skin. You can use it for an oily skin, you can use it for a dry skin. Just make sure that you're consistent and you space it out. It's not something you should use every day. That is why I see some people complain that Skin Doctor gave me redness. It's not something you use every day, my darling. You space it out. At least 3 times a week is okay for using exfoliating products. And bad as it bad, if your skin is very, very sensitive, 2 times a week is okay for using exfoliating product. Yes. So this Skin Doctor toner is effective and nice. You can incorporate it into your skincare routine as an exfoliant. Okay, I might seem busy. I'm shaking. I'm carrying my baby, please. So please pardon me. We just have to make this video regardless, and he has been crying, so I'm carrying him for the video. So pardon me, please. So guys, the next on my list is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid Toner. We all know that this toner is an exfoliant. I don't even need to say too much. It does what it says. Yes, you can use it on your face, but if you're using this product on your face, I advise you use it as a spot treatment. Yes, guys, I advise you use it as a spot treatment, or you use it 2 times a week or once a week if you're using it for your face, because this actually helps to also clear dark armpits, dark inner thighs, body scars. Using it as a spot treatment, you just get a cotton wool, a reasonable amount, soak it in this product and clean on that particular spot. Yes, this product works. You can use it on your face, but I advise I use it 2 times a week, and make sure you spread it out. Maybe you can use it on Sunday, and then you can use it on Wednesday or Thursday. Just make sure that you spread it out. Yes, or use it once. If you have a sensitive skin, use it once on your skin every week. It works, guys. It works. It exfoliates the skin, it brightens spots, all of that. So it can be used as an exfoliant, and it can be used as a brightening agent, but you have to be careful when using it so that you don't get a bad reaction from it. That's why I advise that you take caution when using products. Don't throw caution to the wind. Take caution while using products, especially this Ordinary Glycolic Acid Toner. Guys, the next on my list is the Acwell toner. This Acwell toner is for brightening. Yes, it is very, very, very effective, but I will not, and I stand on this. I will not advise anybody that has an oily skin to use this toner. I will not advise anybody that has acne prone skin to use this toner. This toner is an oil based toner. It actually has, it has an oily feel. I see some people say I use it and God, after it my skin was glowing. If you have an oily skin, it will break you out. It will break you out badly. So please, if you have an oily skin, skip this toner, don't use it. It's for people with dry normal skin or sensitive skin that is not oily or acne prone. Okay, yes, if you have a dry skin, you complain that every time you wash your face, whatever products you rub, your face will still look dry and flaky afterwards. Get this toner. It is very, very amazing. It will brighten your skin and it will hydrate your skin and moisturize your skin. But if you have an oily based skin or an acne prone skin, please don't use this toner. The next on my list is the Beauty Formulas toner. This is a cleanser. I think it's a cleanser or a toner. It's a hydrating product, yes, and it's a brightening product. It is very mild. It is good. If you just want something mild, that you'll be using on your skin, all of that, it is very nice. It is a mild product, but it brightens, and it brightens gradually. So don't expect from it, no. But will it do the work? Yes. But will you have to take time and exercise patience? Yes. But it actually works and it does what it says it does. Okay. The next on my list is the tea tree toner. The tea tree toner is an exfoliant. Why? Because it is for people with oily skin or acne prone skin or people with active acne on their skin. Tea tree is a very, very, very good product when it comes to fighting acne, pimples, all those, blemishes, whiteheads, blackheads on your skin. It's very good. So it helps to cleanse the pores, exfoliate the pores, open out your pores and unclog your pores. Yes, so it reduces sebum production in the skin. Yes, so your skin will be less oily while using tea tree because it will help to dry out your pores and all of that. So it's an exfoliant, and you know already it should not be used every day. Yes, this particular product is not so strong, so you can actually use it let's say 4 times a week. Yeah, and the other 3 days you can incorporate it with your brightening products. Yes, and the other 3 days you just focus on brightening or moisturizing or hydrating. You can use it 4 times a week. Tea tree toner is nice and effective. Yeah. So the next on my list is the simple toner. This toner is just beautiful. This toner, I will categorize this when it comes to rose water. I will not be talking about rose water because rose water is general. Rose water is nice too, but I'll just categorize it when it comes to rose water. It's just nice. It's just something that will help to clean out your face. It will help to clear your pores so that whatever you're rubbing on your skin can actually work. It is super mild. Any skin can use it. Fair, dark, whatever skin tone it is, you can use it, and whatever skin type it is, you can use it. It is very, very amazing. Yeah, so these are the list of the brightening and exfoliating toners and cleansers you should get your hands on and you should incorporate into your routine. If you have used any of these products, let me know, how was it on your skin? Did you break out? And specify the product you use. If it's a nice product, and please help me specify your skin type. If it's a nice product, I will tell you how best to use it. So don't throw it away. Don't criticize that product. You probably used it wrong. Yes, but if your skin type does not tally with that particular product, I will let you know. So all these things should be happening in my comment section. Let us discuss which of them have you used, which of them would you like to use. Ask me, I will tell you which of them to use. If you tell me your skin type and your complexion, I'll tell you which of them to use in the comment section. So I'll be recommending each and every one of these toners to the people that comment and let me know which of them they would like to get. If you cannot decide from this video, let me help you decide. All this will be taking place in my comment section, so comment guys, like, share, subscribe, so that you can continue seeing my video, because I bring to you real life skincare tips, real life skincare products that will take your skin from 0 to 100. And you know we work on budget on this my channel. Yes, if your budget no carry there are other products on this list that your budget can carry and it will work perfectly. Yes, so just let me know and I'll help you out. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on your post notification button. Tell your friend to tell their friend that Frida has made a video and it is wonderful. Okay? Yes, so I'll see you in my next video. Thank you if you have stayed till this time of this video. I love you so much. God bless you. Mwah. Bye.